Hey guys, welcome to Pinto Vinay Cuisine. This is Chef Pinto here. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make beef chops. It's Goan favorite recipe. So let's try this out. Follow each and every part of it. People who have tried my recipes, they loved it. If you love my recipes, try it. Follow each and every ingredients of it and give me the feedback in the comment box so I know that you all have tried the recipes. So let's get started with this beef chops. So friends, to make this beef chops, what we need is, I've kept all the ingredients here. What we need is beans. I've taken 500 grams which I've washed and kept it separate. Onions, chopped onion, which is 3 medium size onion I have chopped and kept. Tomato, 2 of each chopped. Cilantro, which is fresh coriander leaves, quarter bunch. Pepper powder, which is 1 teaspoon. Garlic and ginger chopped, which is 1.5 tablespoon each. And chopped green chilli, which are 4 number are chopped and kept. And then we need turmeric powder, which is half a teaspoon. Salt to taste. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. And vinegar, which is 1 tablespoon. And garam masala, which is 1 tablespoon also. So let's start this process. Since I've kept my pan to get it hot, we will start the cooking process now. Since this pan is hot, we will add oil to saute. Now we'll add ginger and garlic to it. Let it saute nicely. Once this is done, we will add chopped onions to it. We will add chopped onions to it. So I have taken 3 medium size onions, fried onions, and saute this nicely. We will add turmeric powder to this. And garam masala. Let it saute for a while. Then we'll add tomatoes and green chilies to this, and we'll cook it further. We'll add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes and green chili to this and saute for a while. Next one is the mince, which I have already washed and cut. We'll add salt to taste, sugar, and vinegar. All this will add now. So all the ingredients are added now. We'll mix it. Also to add pepper powder and little bit of water to it so it gets cooked nicely. Now we will mix this mixture and let it simmer for a while. Guys, this is mixed well. What we'll do is we'll leave this on simmer for at least for half an hour till the water is dissolved and it is completely dried. We'll cover this and let this on simmer. So guys, check this out. This is completely dried now, and we'll set this aside to get it at room temperature. I will turn off the flame, and meanwhile what we'll do is we'll keep 4 potatoes to boil and we'll mash it, and we will start with the final process. Friends, let's start with the final process now. I have boiled the potatoes, mashed and kept. Mince is ready, as you have seen the mixture. Semolina to coat, and one whole egg I have whisked and kept just to give the binding. Make the flatten up like this on the pump. Add mixture, and then we have to cover it nicely. Small side. Once this is ready, we have to dip it in egg. And then in semolina. If you want to do oval shape also, you can do it. This is how it should be. Friends, this pan is already hot now. We will start to fry these chops. Add oil to it, delicate. Add one by one. Let it get nice golden brown color, and then we will turn it. This is ready. On one side we will turn it. Guys, you all can try this recipe at home. Your kids will enjoy this. This goes very well with ketchup. So guys, this is all done, ready to be served. We will remove this in a plate. This goes very well as evening snacks or during your breakfast, and everyone will enjoy this.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.